Last Christmas, I watched my brother unwrap another generic gift card. You know that look, the polite smile that says thanks, I guess. Meanwhile, his old camping gear was literally falling apart in the garage. This year, I spent 3 months researching the gear that outdoor guys actually want. Not the stuff that looks cool on Amazon, but collects dust. The gear they'll grab every single trip and think of you every time they use it. I found 13 gifts ranging from $19 to over $500. Something for every budget that'll make the adventurer in your life genuinely excited. Whether he's into camping, hiking, hunting, or just loves spending weekends outside, there's something here that'll nail it. Oh, and before we dive in, I've put links to everything in the description below so you can grab these before they sell out for the holidays. If you want to become the gift-giving legend in your family, hit subscribe for more honest gear recommendations that actually work in the field. Starting strong with the gift that solves every outdoor guy's biggest frustration: dead devices in the wilderness. The Bluetti Elite 30V 2-packs 288 watt-hours of portable power into something that weighs under 10 pounds. That's enough juice to charge a phone 20 plus times, run a CPAP machine overnight, or power a mini fridge for hours. What makes this special for the outdoor enthusiast is the 70-minute fast charging. He can top it off during a quick lunch stop and have full power for the rest of the trip. The solar charging option means he can stay off-grid indefinitely. The 1,500-watt powerlifting feature is clutch. It can run small electric kettles and toasters at camp. Imagine hot coffee at sunrise without messing with propane. That's the kind of convenience that makes roughing it actually enjoyable. Every time he powers up his drone for aerial shots, charges his headlamp, or runs the camp speaker, he'll think of this gift. At $379, you're giving him freedom from dead batteries and range anxiety in the backcountry. Here's the thing about first aid kits. Most guys know they need one, but never buy a proper one themselves. That's what makes this such a perfect present. The SurviveX kit isn't your basic bandage collection from the drugstore. This is 240 pieces of professional-grade medical supplies chosen by emergency responders. We're talking wound closure strips that work like stitches, comprehensive burn treatment, fracture support, and supplies for serious backcountry emergencies. The organization is brilliant. Everything's sorted by function into color-coded compartments. When your hands are shaking and adrenaline's pumping, you can find what you need in seconds. That could literally save a life. It's MOLLE compatible and mountable, so it can attach to his backpack, hang in the truck, or mount to the wall in the garage. He'll have it wherever adventure takes him. This is the gift that says, I care about you coming home safe. At $120, you're giving peace of mind for him and everyone who worries about him out there. A quality headlamp is the most used piece of gear in any outdoor kit. Setting up camp after dark, early morning hunts, midnight bathroom trips, it comes out constantly. The Danfoss throws 1,080 lumens, which is seriously bright. We're talking light up the entire campsite bright, but the real magic is in the versatility: high, medium, low strobe, plus a red light mode that preserves night vision for stargazing or not blinding your tent mate. The 5,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery means no more hunting for AAAS at 2 a.m. USB charging keeps it topped off from a power bank or solar setup. The zoomable beam adjusts from flood to spot depending on what he needs. It's built tough with IPX45 water resistance, handles extreme temperatures, and the sweat-resistant headband stays comfortable during all-night activities. The adjustable 90-degree head angle means hands-free work in any position. At $36, this is the gift that'll become his go-to headlamp for every adventure. He'll wonder how he ever managed with those dim, battery-eating alternatives. This one's for the treasure hunter, the curious explorer, or anyone who's ever wondered what's buried just below the surface. The DROTE K-Digger is built from heat-treated manganese steel with double serrated edges. It cuts through roots, compacted soil, and rocky ground like nothing else. Regular garden trowels bend and break. This thing is indestructible. The ergonomic rubber handle fits naturally in your palm and actually reduces wrist fatigue during extended digging sessions. The sheath includes a belt loop, so it's always within reach when that detector starts beeping. Even if he's not into metal detecting, this is the ultimate camp shovel for fire pits, tent stakes in hard ground, or clearing brush. It's the tool that handles the jobs that break normal tools. At $24, this is the gift for the guy who appreciates tools that just work, no matter how hard you push them. Every outdoorsman needs a solid multi-tool, and the Grider delivers 13 essential tools in one pocket-sized package. We're talking needle nose pliers, regular pliers, a sharp knife, scissors, wire cutters, saw, file, multiple screwdrivers, can opener, bottle opener, and ruler. Basically a portable toolbox that disappears in your pocket. The 420 stainless steel construction handles serious abuse, while the knife and scissors get upgraded 440 steel for better edge retention. The spring-assisted mechanisms let you operate everything one-handed, crucial when you're holding something together with your other hand. The side-locking design keeps each tool securely open during use. No surprise blade closure when you're putting pressure on it. The included nylon sheath protects the tool and offers belt carry options. Gritter backs this with an unlimited lifetime warranty. If it ever breaks, they fix or replace it. At around $25, you're giving the guy a tool he'll reach for daily for years to come. Clean water in the backcountry used to mean heavy pump filters or sketchy purification tablets. The water drop gravity system changed the game. Fill the 1.5-gallon bag from any stream or lake, hang it up, and gravity does the work. The 5-stage filtration removes 99.99% of bacteria and harmful particles through a 0.1 micron hollow fiber membrane. What comes out is clean, fresh drinking water. The filter straw can process up to 1,400 gallons before needing replacement, and it's backwashable to extend life even further. At 700 milliliters per minute flow rate, you can fill water bottles for the whole group without waiting around. The whole system weighs under 5 ounces and packs down to almost nothing. Perfect for backpacking, emergency prep, international travel, or keeping in the truck for unexpected adventures. At $32, this gift could literally be a lifesaver. He'll never worry about water sources again. Whether he's into bird watching, wildlife spotting, or scoping out the best fishing holes. Quality binoculars open up a whole new world. The Flyant 20x50 deliver 20 times magnification with massive 50mm objective lenses that pull in serious light. The multi-coated back 4 prisms achieve 99.8% light transmission for incredibly bright, sharp images even in low light conditions. The 26mm eyepieces are ergonomically designed to reduce eye fatigue during extended glassing sessions. Perfect for long days in the stand or scanning ridgelines for game. The sensitive center focus wheel dials and crystal clarity with one finger. The rubber armored body handles drops, bumps, and daily abuse while providing a secure grip even in rain. IPX waterproofing keeps moisture out of the optics. Tripod mountable for rock-steady viewing when it matters. At $27, these punch way above their price class. He'll see details he never noticed before. Good boots make or break every outdoor experience. Blisters and sore feet can ruin even the best adventure. The Nortiv 8 tactical boots deliver real comfort with serious durability. The leather and breathable fabric upper keeps feet cool, while the YKK side zipper with hook loop strap means he can get them on and off in seconds. No more fighting with laces in the dark. The dynamic two-sole system combines a removable, shock-absorbing insole with slip, oil, and abrasion-resistant rubber outsoles. That's all-day comfort on any terrain from mountain trails to muddy job sites. Ankle-high protection wraps and supports where it matters most. Available in multiple heights and colors to match his style. These work equally well for hiking, hunting, motorcycle riding, or daily wear. At $60, you're giving him boots that can handle anything without destroying his feet or his wallet. For the guy with a backyard or patio, this is the gift that creates memories. Imagine cool evenings gathered around dancing flames, telling stories, roasting marshmallows. The Bali Outdoors fire pit table combines 60,000 BTU warmth with a functional ceramic tabletop. Set drinks and snacks on the edge while the center blazes with beautiful flames through the included glass stones. The stainless steel burner and solid steel frame are built to withstand seasons of use in any weather. Pulse ignition lights it up instantly. No matches or lighters needed. The 20-pound propane tank hides inside the base, keeping the look clean. When the fire's out, the included cover transforms it into a regular patio table. It's a year-round piece that extends outdoor living season well into fall and winter. At $300, this is the premium gift that turns any backyard into a gathering spot. Every time friends come over, they'll end up around this fire. Great adventures need a great soundtrack. The TrebLab HD Max delivers serious sound anywhere the wilderness takes him. 60 watts of power through dual 75mm drivers and bass radiators creates room-filling sound that doesn't distort at high volume. The deep bass hits hard for energetic playlists, while clear highs preserve every detail in acoustic tracks. IPX7 waterproofing means it survives full submersion. Not just splashes, but actual dunking. Take it kayaking, poolside, or leave it out in a rainstorm. The 20-hour battery life with 6,600 milliamp hours capacity outlasts any adventure, and the built-in power bank keeps phones charged too. Dynamic RGB lighting adds atmosphere to evening gatherings. Bluetooth 5.3 provides rock-solid connectivity, plus there's AUX input and USB playback for flexibility. Touch controls make operation intuitive. At $160, this is the speaker for someone who refuses to compromise on sound quality just because they're outdoors. Hydration is everything outdoors, and the Buzio 1-gallon jug keeps water ice cold for 48 hours. Not an exaggeration, actual ice cubes still floating 2 days later. The triple wall vacuum insulation and premium 18/8 stainless steel construction create a thermal fortress. Fill it once in the morning and drink cold water all day, even in blazing summer heat. Hot drinks stay warm for 24+ hours in winter. The 3.5-inch wide mouth makes it easy to add ice and fruit, and you can actually get your hand inside for cleaning. The upgraded 5x5-inch handle is reinforced for heavy-duty use and adjusts to 5 different angles for easy grabbing. The included carrying sleeve has pockets for phone, cards, and keys, perfect for job sites or gym sessions. The leak-proof chug lid with silicone gasket means no spills in the truck or backpack. At $43, this jug becomes the hydration solution he reaches for every single day. A good lantern turns a dark campsite into home base. The Lepo delivers 1,000 lumens of tent-flooding brightness with smart features that matter. The dual mode design works as both a focused flashlight for distance and a 360-degree lantern for area lighting. 5 light modes cover every situation from full brightness for setup to low power for reading in the tent to red emergency strobe. The built-in power bank function charges phones and devices when you need it most. USB rechargeable batteries mean no more hunting for lantern fuel or batteries. IPX4 water resistance handles rain and humidity. The adjustable shoulder strap and comfortable handle make it easy to carry between campfire and tent. It's relatively lightweight compared to similar models, but doesn't sacrifice brightness. At $30, this lantern handles power outages at home just as well as nights in the wilderness. Okay, hear me out. This might be the most practical gift on the entire list, especially for anyone who camps with family or takes longer trips. The Yita Home portable toilet supports 441 pounds and features a 5.3-gallon waste tank with 3.2-gallon freshwater tank. That's multiple days of use before needing to empty. The upgraded dual outlet flush actually cleans the entire bowl properly. The handle pump requires no batteries or external plumbing, just press and flush. The extended emptying spout prevents splashing during disposal. Built-in wheels make it surprisingly easy to move around for RV trips, boat outings, hunting camps, or emergency preparedness at home. This eliminates the worst part of being away from civilization. It's the difference between roughing it and actually enjoying the outdoors. At $105, this is the gift he'd never buy himself, but will use constantly, and thank you for every single time. Whatever you choose, you're not just giving stuff. You're giving better experiences, more comfortable nights, safer adventures, and memories that last way longer than any gift card ever could.